In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add a hyperlink in a SharePoint list. This technique allows users to click on a link and be directly taken to a specific URL, which is incredibly handy for resource sharing, project management, and more. So, let's dive in and explore the cleanest and most efficient way to accomplish this using SharePoint's built-in hyperlink or picture column type. First, navigate to your SharePoint list where you intend to add the hyperlink. On your screen, locate the option to add a new column. You can find this feature prominently displayed as a plus Add Column button. Click on it, and you'll be presented with several choices. Among these options, you'll want to select More, which will lead you to an expanded menu of column types. Alternatively, you may find a direct option to add a hyperlink or picture column, depending on your SharePoint interface version. Once you're in the correct menu, choose the hyperlink type. Some interfaces may combine it as hyperlink or picture. It's crucial not to select plain text here, as that won't enable the full hyperlink functionality we're aiming for. Once you've made your selection, it's time to name this new column. This step is essential for keeping your SharePoint list organized and intuitive. You might opt for names like website link or resource URL to clearly indicate the purpose of this column. With the column type set and named appropriately, go ahead and save your changes. This addition will enhance the usability of your SharePoint list by making it easy to direct users to related content on the web. When you proceed to add or edit items within your list, you'll notice that this new column provides two distinct fields. One is the URL, which is where you copy and paste the web address you want to link to. The other is the description field. The description is a user-friendly text that will be displayed as the link itself. Think of it as the title or label that tells users where the link will take them without exposing the raw URL. In the list view, once you've added and saved your item, you'll see the description text appear as a clickable link. This presentation ensures a neat and professional appearance, maintaining both clarity and functionality within your SharePoint list. This method is favored for its simplicity and efficiency, and it's the standard practice in SharePoint lists. By following these steps, you're utilizing a built-in feature that seamlessly integrates hyperlinking into your document sharing platform. So, there you have it, a straightforward approach to making your SharePoint lists more dynamic and resourceful. Thanks for tuning in.